Hi, this is John with Tele. And since I was a kid, I've always been a fan of watches. And my dad used to tell me back in the day that a man should always wear a watch under any circumstances. And this is where this Casio Memo watch comes into place. This is a watch that even though it's rugged, it's strong, it has a lot of durability. It can take pretty much anything for outdoor activities, or if you just want to have a watch during the day. It's not that heavy. People would look at this watch and say, oh, it looks rugged, it looks durable. Yes, but it's not so heavy. It has a great feeling in the palm of your hand. Like when you put it in your wrist, it's not too tight. You can actually adjust it. And since I was a kid, I've been dropping and breaking things down. This one is really durable. Drop it, bump it into walls, and it's just gonna stay the same. The build quality, the materials of this watch is actually great, and it just looks awesome in your wrist. So this was John with Dolly TI, and that was my point of view.